All right, gentlemen, today's video is on atoms, Fulton Leadership Academy. So the atom is the smallest unit of an element. One example of an atom is one atom of gold, which it would be the smallest piece of gold that is possible to have. So an atom of gold is the smallest piece of gold that's possible. There's nothing smaller. There's no smaller piece of gold than one atom of gold. Here is an example of a gold atom. Alright, and as you see, it has a nucleus with some electrons floating around it. We'll talk about those later. So, a couple more vocabulary words that you all need for your notes. Atomic mass unit is a unit of measurement that measures the mass of an atom or molecule. You'll understand that these items are really small, so we need a unit that's able to weigh them. So the atomic mass unit, which is also known as an AMU, is a unit of mass that measures the mass of an atom or molecule. And by the way, one atomic mass unit is about the weight of a proton or a neutron. One neutron is about one atomic mass unit, and we'll talk a little bit about that later. Atomic mass is the mass of an atom expressed in atomic mass unit. So I would say the atomic mass of oxygen is whatever atomic mass units. All right. So atomic mass is the mass of the atom or element. Here is a primitive model of an atom. This is not exactly how atoms are, but it'll help for our purposes today. So let's start. First things first. We have the proton. The proton is a subatomic particle with a positive charge, and it weighs 1 and 73, you have to list tens, hundreds, thousandths, 1 and 73 thousandths atomic mass units. All right, so it's almost 1. It's only a little bit bigger than 1 atomic mass unit. All right, and the proton can be seen here on the model that we have with a plus charge on it, because the plus shows that it has a positive charge. All right, so there's a plus sign for the proton because it has a positive charge. The next item that we have is the neutron. And the neutron is a subatomic particle with a neutral charge. It means it has no charge. And the neutron weighs 1 and 87 thousandths atomic mass units, or AMUs. All right, so the neutron is in the nucleus with the proton, and it weighs almost 1 and 87 thousandths atomic mass units, AMUs. And as you can see here, there's no sign next to the neutron because the neutron does not have a charge to it. It's neutral. So the area in which the protons and neutrons are located is the nucleus. And the nucleus is the center of an atom, which is made up of protons and neutrons. And you can see that here in this yellow circle, they have 2 protons, which are black with the positive charges shown on them, and 2 neutrons, which are yellow with no charges on them because they're neutral. The last part of our atom, or the last component of our atom, is the electron. The electron is a subatomic particle with a negative charge and weighs 6 10,000ths of an atomic mass unit. So if you look at our decimal point, the first place after the decimal is tenths, next to that is hundredths, next to that is thousandths, and 10,000ths. So 6 10,000ths of an atomic mass unit. So the electron is very, very small, and it has a negative charge. All right, so it's seen here as a little black circle that's going around the nucleus with a negative sign on it, which shows that it has a negative charge. Now this area is called the electron cloud. The electron cloud is the area that's around the nucleus where the electrons are found. All right, and electrons fly around the nucleus. They don't fly in a complete circle. They kind of zigzag around the nucleus, flying around it as much as possible. All right. These are all of the vocabulary words for this section. If you want to go over it again, the Prezi is below. Make sure that you know the atomic mass units for extra credit points. Those will probably be worth extra credit points for me. And I hope that you all enjoyed this. And I'll catch you all next time.